Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Bitget. It's a tutorial I'm going to do for you guys, okay? A lot of people have been asking how you do this and how you do that. So this is a little tutorial on how to use Bitget. Firstly, you need to click the link below, go to the platform, get involved in them, obviously join it through the link that I'm showing you in the videos and in this video description as well. Join them, take advantage of an amazing sign up bonus right now, and then obviously deposit a bit of money into the spot account. Once you've done that, transfer it into a USD futures account to do some leverage trading right here, okay? But again, don't be a degen. A lot of people use high leverage. I tend to use around about 5x, okay, nothing more than that. So right now I'm just going to show you a little 5x trade that I'm looking at, okay? And again, you know, this is why you always use stop losses. Always use stop losses. Don't be a degen. Don't just open trade and go play football or go to somewhere, whatever. Always use a stop loss, okay? Unless you want to manually keep an eye on your trade, then obviously, you know, you can do that. But it's nice to have a stop loss in place, you know, an invalidation point or a validation point. That's what I'm trying to say to you. So right now, you know, I'm looking to open along at this point, okay? I'm trying to find a maximum opportunity right now. So I'm looking to open along at this point and have a stop loss on this low, okay? Because I think that what we've got here is a potential 5-wave impulsive move to the upside just there. Look at these 5 waves, and I think that what we're going through is a retracement to this low, and it could come quite deeply, and it could offer a fantastic little opportunity here to go long off this impulsive break in this retracement that we're going through for Bitcoin, okay? So what I'm going to look at is the fib levels that we're tracing to. I would imagine we've lost the 786 already, okay? You can see that we've come down below it, but we're sort of hovering on that at the moment. Now what I'm going to do is open a long at this point and set my stop loss on the 1 fib, you know, and I could get stopped out as I'm making this video, but I'm going to show you this is what you do. You seize on these opportunities, okay? Now we're having a bit of a pullback here. It's getting nasty, but you've not lost the low just yet, okay? So potentially this could start to carve out a level of resistance like this, come back like this, okay? And you can create this high low structure, ascending triangle at the base down here, and then coil up, and you've found the maximum opportunity. Now a lot of traders, they do wait for the particular structure to play out, but in this instance I'm going to just try and show you a little long opportunity with a very minimal risk. So right now, if I was to open a trade, you will be looking at the 1 fib right there, which would be my stop loss, okay? Because obviously negating this impulsive break and retracement, you will be negating this low, okay? So it's a 1% loss, okay? So effectively, because it's 5x, it's 6% loss. Do you understand? So right now I need to get the trade open, don't I? So right now I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to open a trade, okay? So what I'm going to do is show you how to open the long. So basically you click on the price. If you want to have a price or set your own price, you type it in there, okay? But what I'm going to do is trade 25% of my pot just here, okay? And then what I'm going to do is open a take profit and a stop loss. So my stop loss is going to be the 1 fib, okay? So it's 19506. 19506, because that's going to negate this particular long setup that I'm looking at right now for Bitcoin, okay? You can see I'm missing out because it's starting to creep back up the price here. But anyway, let's keep an eye on this. So my take profit off this point here, if this is the low right now, I'm going to look at the take profit. It's going to be roughly the 1618 at 21173. So that's my take profit, 21173, okay? Really is that simple. So again, I'm just going to have to click that and go in with that because it's moving. It might not come back down to that, but anyway, that's what it is. So you set your price that you're happy with, and then what you do, you open along. Everything's all right, yeah, open along, buy long, confirm, job done, and order process. So right now you can see that that is actually gone in to the order book right there, okay? So I've actually opened along at this position, and it will keep you updated. Here's my take profit, here's my stop loss. Like I said to you, if it starts to come down, I've got a very, very minimal loss just there, you know, and this is trading the ranges, isn't it? This is a validation point of this particular breakout and this particular long position that could start to be quite fruitful, because if this is the low, and I'm putting bids down here on the 786, roughly that sort of area, and we do start to come back up, I'm looking at a 7% little long opportunity right there for Bitcoin, aren't I? You know, it really is that simple, okay? And obviously I can adjust this, I can close that take profit and change it and move it up, and then as this trade, if it plays out, it is a big if, obviously, this is why you use stop losses, but if this does start to come up, I can move my TP, my stop loss up, okay, the invalidation, so I end up with more profit than what I've put my bid in at. Do you understand that? So that's basically trading the ranges right now. This is Bitget. It's really, really simple, and you know, if you want to go short, it's the opposite of that as well. So hope that tutorial was you know, okay for you, and you can understand it. If not, please write a comment, and I will make another detailed tutorial on how to use Bitget relatively soon, okay? So that's a simple little tutorial on how to go long and maximize your sort of risk to reward right there, okay? So that's basically a little tutorial. Hope you enjoyed that little update. Thank you for support, okay? And thank you for your subscription, and remember, join the link by clicking the link below the video description and take advantage of Bitget's amazing sign up bonus. Take care, CoinsKid crew. Bye bye.